Yeah, hi. My name is Rajiv and I'm a business development coordinator for dental practice in Hampshire. It's called Dental Concepts. We are in Whitchurch and Andover in Hampshire. We have been using social media marketing for some time now, but the problem with us was we were just sort of using it very haphazardly, and there was no system or structure to it that we wanted to sort of this. And one of my employer's mentors, Andy Harrington, recommended this course, and Manish just told me, who's my employer, to just come to this course for 3 days. And since it was a 3-day course, it was fantastic, and we learned a lot. Our business, which is really dentistry, we sort of market it online. The main sort of marketing budget goes into online marketing. So we wanted to sort of make sure that whatever amount that we spend on online, particularly on Facebook and social media marketing, is targeted to the right people, and we get a good return on investment. And I was looking for a course for that. And because this course was unlike other courses where it's a half-day or one-day course, it's a 3-day proper intensive training where you sort of start with the basics and then you go on till the advanced in the 3rd day. It's really systematic and step-by-step formula what you get over here to understand the marketing bit of it. Yeah. 2 or 3 things that we have learned from this thing. One was the podcast thing, where we are used to making a lot of videos for our this thing, but we are not using those same videos for multiple platforms. And podcast is another new thing that we have learned over here. We can simply make a MP3 file of the video and use it as a podcast. It's something new that I have learned, and I will definitely implement that. Second was the blogs, a lot of blog ideas that I've got, a lot of new websites and a lot of new software that I've come to know about, which I will sort of research and use it. And lots of other things like Facebook marketing. We obviously were using a particular agency for doing our online marketing, but just to get an insight of exactly how it's done and whether somebody is doing it properly or not. So it's better to have somebody knowledge of that as well, so I can overview it more better now. I would definitely recommend a digital marketing masterclass by James Nicholson to everybody. It's whether you are at the start of your business or whether you're into a much advanced stage of your business, it caters to everybody, and it starts a 3-day intensive course, which is fantastic, and I would definitely recommend to everybody. Yeah, all right.